In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD using the REC command. This is one of the most basic and useful drawing tools, especially for beginners learning the fundamentals of AutoCAD. To get started, type REC in the command line and press enter. Next, click anywhere in the drawing area to specify the first corner of the rectangle. You can then either click a second point with your mouse, or enter exact dimensions for greater accuracy. If you need a rectangle with specific measurements, simply type the length and width values when prompted, and AutoCAD will create it instantly. While you can also draw a rectangle manually using the line command, the rec command is much faster and helps maintain precision. Once you get comfortable with it, you'll be able to create accurate shapes quickly and improve your drafting workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more AutoCAD tutorials and tips.